Roof waterproofing process by Brooks Chemical Services. Step 1. Roof cleaning. We begin by thoroughly cleaning the roof surface to ensure proper adhesion of materials. Step 2. Primer application. 1 coat of BCS 2000 primer is applied to prepare the surface for waterproofing. Step 3. Crack treatment. All visible cracks are filled and sealed using high-strength waterproofing material, and bandages are applied for extra reinforcement. Step 4. Final coating. 2 thick and durable coats of BCS $2,000 admixture chemical are applied. This premium formulation is engineered for long-lasting waterproofing performance and ultimate protection against rain and seepage. Product highlights. Backed by a 3-year official warranty. Each layer offers a lifespan of up to 1.5 years. Ideal for rooftops, terraces, and flat concrete surfaces. Why choose Brooks Chemical Services? We are a trusted waterproofing company offering high-quality, long-lasting solutions at affordable prices. Our services are budget-friendly, without compromising on material quality or performance.